have our Friday night date, and of course we're gonna drink maybe some wine or some Baileys or something. Good afternoon and good night. Yes, Tyler. Say hello. Say hi. Nothing? Alright, go on about your business. Nothing? 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 You silly boy? Nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Look at him. Nothing at all. You don't want to say hi? You don't want to say hello? Huh? I'm gonna tickle you then. I'm gonna tickle. You, come here. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, careful. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. It's a brand new day. I haven't got my workout in as yet, but I'm still pumped. I'm still feeling good. And I'm still feeling full of energy. I still feel like I can take over the world. So make sure you guys are feeling as positive and as energetic as Tyler is this morning, okay? You guys, it has been raining non-stop all night, all morning. Look outside. Outside is wet and mucky, and it's not looking so beautiful this morning at all. It's raining right now as I'm speaking to you guys. It's non-stop raining, but you just want to play. You just want to play. Ow! That hurts. It's been raining non-stopping, and which means that I maybe do not get to go outside today, but that's okay. Tella is here all over me. He's here, just wants to be all up on me, yeah? No, you can't show inside my clothes on camera. He just drooled in my face. Oh my god. Go. This kid just drooled right in my face. He loves to play so much. Oh, I'm out of breath. Whew. It's been raining, which means that I maybe do not get to go outside today. I slept in a little bit and woke up and make breakfast and pay some attention to Ty this morning, and we're just here. Baby's off to work as usual. Tyler's just here all over me all morning. He's not giving me a break. Oh my god, this kid, he doesn't give me a break. Look at him, he's so happy. Happy boy. Happy boy. Happy boy. The fact that it's raining, it's a little bit chillier than usual, so we're just cuddling inside. Don't know what we're gonna do today because it doesn't look possible to go outside without the car today. So yeah, I can, but I don't know. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Of course, I'll get my workout in later this afternoon, and I'll make sure I insert the clip so you guys can see and stay motivated and know that it can be done. It doesn't really matter what time of the day. Just get your workouts in. The results will come, you guys. Be patient, trust the process, do your thing. Stay motivated, stay happy like Tyler. And on that note, the Jamaican expression for today is another insulting word. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of insulting words this week, okay? So the insulting word for today, Jamaican expression, is baffan. A baffan is a person who is very clumsy. Everything that they do falls out of their hands. Everything that they do just totally mess up. So if someone says, you're like a baffan, you're baffan, Mel, you're a baffan, simply mean that I'm clumsy. Don't be a baffan today. Make sure that you stay on your P's and Q's. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. And of course, when babe comes home, he'll put his feet on it. This one won't be too hard for him, but let's see how he managed his Jamaican expression for today. So yeah, make sure you guys have a wonderful day. We're about to go get some stuff done around here. So I'll catch you guys in a bit.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Raisin plums and eggplants, berries, grapes, and turnips. So good for you. Purple pants and skirts, purple hats and shirts. You can wear it too. We like to eat things like red potatoes. We like to see red things, red things, red things. We like to see red things like big old red barns and pretty red roses.
Alright you guys, so I'm in the kitchen right now. I have a bunch of chicken that I need to season up. So I'm gonna season these all up and I'm going to jerk some of them and see if I can have some for lunch and the rest for dinner. You want these? I can get this for you. I'm so proud of you. You're a big boy. You let mommy washing your hair and you're not crying. That's very good. You're gonna get a big star for that, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Yo. Baby. 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 It's okay. That is one of the best wash sessions I've had with Tyler. Normally, he would scream from the beginning. So it's getting better, so that's good. But he doesn't like washing his hair. He doesn't even like combing his hair. I have to find methods of soothing him whenever I'm in his hair. So now that he's done for a nap, this mama gets to go have some lunch to make it digest in time for me to work out. Hear him calling mama when he's supposed to be napping. My kid is something else. All right, you guys, so my chicken's supposed to finish cooking by now, so I'm about to go have some lunch real quick. Okay, you guys, so that's the outcome of my oven jerk chicken. So this is going to be lunch right now real quick with some salad. All right, so this is lunch for today. Hey guys, it's that time of the day where I am going to go for a quick run and see what amount of workout I can get in right now. So my little boo-boo is right here with his snack. You having snack? And watching TV, you're just chilling like a boss, huh? Have his snack and he didn't really finish his bottle, so I put it there just in case you might need that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go for a quick workout. Don't know what amount of workout I can get in, but let's see how that goes. All right, make sure you guys get your workout in. Just do it, you guys. Just do something. I promise you your result will come. Results doesn't come overnight. You have to work for it. Work for it. Be patient. Trust the process. Just do it. All right, let's do this. You guys, oh, I feel dizzy. I'm dripping wet. 50 minutes run done. I feel so good, but I think I'm just gonna push it a little bit more. Seeing that today is my lift day, I think I'm just going to jump straight into lifting after this 50-minute run and see how far I can push my body to take some more workout, because I really think I need to put in the work. So let's do this. All right, let's go. Okay, you guys, I'm making dinner real quick, and since I already make the chicken earlier today, I am just blanching some veggies to go with that for dinner, until I already have some mashed potatoes. So that's what dinner is gonna be tonight, veggies. Okay, you guys, so this is the outcome of dinner for tonight. That's dinner. Dinner is ready and everybody's happy. You guys, babe is home. He got home and he jumped straight on the treadmill. I'm so proud of him whenever he works out. So proud of you, baby. Let me guys show you him running. There he is running. Go, baby. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Blow them kisses. Mwah.
Mwah.
Good boy.
Bisous, papa. Bonne nuit, mon amour. À demain.
You did it. I'm so proud of you. Good job, baby. Oh, I'm really proud of you. I am. It's not easy to go to work such a long day and then come back home and have to work out. Hey guys, look at his face. He's just smiling away. What do you want to say?
What I want to say? Hi guys. Didn't talk to anybody today, so just before the end of the vlog, just saying hello. Hope you enjoyed the vlog today. And what is the Jamaican expression of the day?
The Jamaican expression for today is bafan.
Bafan?
Do you know who's a bafan? It's
No.
a very insulting word too. We're doing insulting words these days. A bafan is a clumsy person. A person who is always throwing over things when they pick it up. A person is always falling when they're walking. And a person is always messing up themselves when they're eating.
Okay.
A bafan is a clumsy person.
Okay.
So don't call anybody a bafan. Are you a bafan? No, you're not. Say it.
Bafan.
All right. I know this one wasn't gonna be hard for you.
Yeah.
So there you have babe take on the Jamaican expression for today. Tyler is off to sleep. He's off to bed. He's really tired. He had a long day playing and stuff. And he was excited to see Papa when Papa came home. And I'm super proud of babe for working out.
Thank you.
It's Friday night. So hopefully you guys have an amazing weekend. Babe and I have Friday night dates. Every Friday night there's a specific TV show that we'll watch. So we're gonna have our Friday night date, and of course we're gonna drink maybe some wine or some Baileys or something. So yeah, we're about to have our Friday night date, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if it's your first time watching us. Thank you guys for helping us growing continually. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.